the Spools block. It's 12 inches. And I've made mine with variegated thread on the spools in 4 different color families. The alternative for piecing this block is the half square triangles 8 at a time, because there are a lot of half square triangles here. For the cutting, we have patch A, which is the half square triangles, and we have the spools are done in 2 different colors of wood, if they're wooden spools, and in the background is the white fabric. So these will be the half square triangles, and that's patch A. Patch B are rectangles, and patch C are the rectangles for the thread. Next I will piece the half square triangles and then put the block together. Here are the patches all laid out, and this spool here is one fabric for the spool, and it matches this one, and then this spool has a different fabric for this. To piece this, I would start by piecing the threads first. So this would be one piece, and this would be one, and one. Then I'm going to just piece rows across and then piece the rows together. Well, here's the block, and this block was a little bit of a challenge because of these small pieces, and you have to try to match everything, but you can do it. Just pay attention and be very accurate in your cutting especially, and in your piecing. And I know some of you guys probably noticed in the clip before this that these rectangles were all cut wrong, and I didn't realize it till I started putting it together and it didn't fit. So I cut these a ½ inch narrower than they should have been. They should have been 2 inches. I cut them 1½ inches. So I kind of wondered when I saw it, but you know, until you try to piece it together, you know it's wrong. So I had to redo those. Anyway, this is the spools block, and I pieced all the seams open, or most of them. I think I did piece one seam to the side. It just wouldn't lay right. Thank you for watching.